In this video, you're going to learn the top tool used by professional traders that people are charging thousands of dollars for in courses online. And not only that, you're going to learn how to do it today, use it today, and we're going to do it in around 60 seconds. So let's go. Now, we all can remember in school where we had the bell curve. And basically what this is saying that, most students are going to get C's, some students are going to get A's, and then some students are going to get F's. Yeah, it's no different when we look at the volume now, and we basically have the same thing only turned on its side. And so while most people and most traders are used to looking at volume over the period, we want to look at each price. And price tends to trade around the middle of the profile. It tends to be rejected at the low volume nodes. And if it breaks through those areas, it generally means you're going to go into price discovery mode. So this is how professional traders are trading. Don't trade when price is in the middle of the volume profile. Only trade when it's at the edges. We'll see you in the next one.